Okay, hey guys. So, wanted to mix it up a little bit. We've done lots of multiplication and division. We did word problems with multiplication. We did some traditional multiplication, and we did some division, a couple days worth of that. So, one of the things that in fourth grade we kind of hit on, but we don't spend a lot of time on, is coordinate planes, graphing, and then we get into data landmarks. So starting with today's video, this is Tuesday. I'm working through probably 1 week, maybe a little bit more, we'll see. We're gonna work on coordinate planes, graphing, making tables, and reading tables, and then some data landmarks. So today on IXL, I am picking out, it's topic I, coordinate planes, lesson 1 and lesson 2, objects on a coordinate plane, and then graphing points on a coordinate plane. So we're gonna go over both of those up here. So I drew a little coordinate plane. In 5th grade and then 6th grade, you'll do more coordinate planes. Now you probably did some of this in 3rd grade, which is why 4th grade doesn't hit on it too much. So in later on, you'll do all 4 coordinates. So this is 1, coordinate 2, coordinate 3, and then coordinate 4, and I think it's a V maybe, I don't know. I'm not real good at that part. I don't teach 5th or 6th grade. So, but you'll do all coordinates moving forward. So to start, we're just gonna put some pictures up here, and then we're gonna decide where those are on the coordinate plane. So I'm gonna draw a heart here, and a star, and a rhombus. Benjamin and I have been having an ongoing conversation about a diamond versus a rhombus. Let's do a circle right here. Let's do a square. We'll do a trapezoid over here. I'm just randomly putting these on. So parents, if you're wanting to help your child with this concept at home, if you think that maybe they need a little more practice, just get a piece of grid paper and number it, and then just draw pictures wherever you want and see if they can tell you where they're located. I'm gonna draw a little flower right here. All right. Okay. So then on the side, we're gonna decide where is our heart, our star, our rhombus, our circle, square, trapezoid, and flower. So when you read a coordinate plane like this, you go over and then up. Miss Sue Green was one of my cooperating teachers when I was doing my student teaching at Van Buren, and she always said you have to walk to the stairs before you can go up the stairs. So I like to think of it like that. You have to walk over to the stairs before you can go up the stairs, okay? So we're gonna go over and then we'll go up. So if we're gonna do our heart first, coordinates are always put inside a bracket. So you're gonna put your bracket, and we're gonna go over and we're gonna say, okay, the heart's 1, 2 over. So I'm gonna put my 2, okay? And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So the heart is at 2, 5. Over 2, up 5. The star is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So inside my bracket, the 5. And then 1, 2, 3. So you have to go over 5, up 3. The diamond is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then up 1. The diamond, or the rhombus, is at 8, 1. Okay? The circle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's on this line, so it's at the 7. So my 7. So that's my over. And then my up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's over 7, up 8. The square is right here. And so it's over 1, 2, 3. And then it's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. And then my trapezoid is way over here, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then up 1, 2, 3, and then my very last one's my flower way over here in the corner. And so it's 1, 2, go over and then up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And it's up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these would be my answers for where are my pictures on my coordinate plane. So that would be your first lesson. That's going to be the I-1, objects on a coordinate plane. It's going to show you pictures of shapes or other objects, numbers, letters, and you're going to have to tell it where on the coordinate plane is that. Okay? Another way to look at this is you have your coordinate plane, but maybe you're given the coordinates and something to mark there. So lots of times in 4th grade we would have alphabet letters. So we'll do A, B, C, D, E, and F. And so we'll say A is at 2, 4. And B is at 6, 9. C, I'm going to make this one hard because one thing that we do in 4th grade is that we add halves in. So I'm going to say C is at 4 and a half, 6. D is at 7 and 2 and a half. E is going to be at 11, 3. F is going to be at 3 and 11 and a half. That's going to be hard. I can't do that one. That one's got a square on it, almost. Because the square was at 3, 11, so 11 and a half would be still kind of on the square because it's a big square. So let's do 6 and 2 and a half. Okay. So we have 3 of them here that have a half mark. Okay, and I might be cutting my head off. I don't know because there's nobody recording me today. So I'm given my coordinate plane, and then I'm given all of my coordinates, and now I have to go put them on the coordinate on the plane. Okay. One important thing that I always tell my kids: you can't just put dots. You have to label them. Okay. So I'm going to start up here at the top with A, and I'm going to go over 2, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put a dot, and I'm going to label it A. Because if I don't put a label A, who is to say that my teacher's not going to look at that and be like, well, that's not 6 and 2 halves. Okay, so we want to make this easy and make sure that we get all of our points by labeling it. So I've checked that one off. I did that one. So then I'm going to go over 6, up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put a dot, label it B. Done. Over 6, up 9. C is over 4 and a half. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be 4. And then this is 5. So 4 and a half is in between. So I'm in between 4 and 5. And I'm going to go up 6. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And put my dot there. So it's not actually on either of these vertical lines. It's in between them on the horizontal line for 6. And I'm going to label it C. Where the alphabet letter is, it just needs to be close to the dot. That doesn't matter as much. The dot should be on that point. It should be on the coordinates that match inside your bracket. Okay? Oh, goodness. I gotta have a chair for this. So D is going to be 7. And then 2 and a half. So I'm over to the full 7. And then I'm going to go 1, 2. So this would be 2. And this is 3. So 2 and a half is in the middle. So I'm up 7. And there's 2. So 2 and a half is going to be in between the horizontal lines 2 and 3. So I'm going to put my dot there and label it D. E is 11, 3. So over 11, 1, 2, 3, label it E. That D doesn't look very good, does it? There we go. And then F is over 6, up to 2 and a half. So 1, 2, and again I have a half there. So put that and label it E. Okay? So when you do your IXL lessons, I-1 is objects on a coordinate plane. The objects are already going to be there, and you're going to tell me what the coordinates are. And then I2, it says graph points on a coordinate plane. You're going to be given a graphing mark, right, with the over and ups, and then you're going to mark it on the coordinate grid just like I did. The second part of the video is for the second lesson that I'm going to mark. All right, if you have any questions or don't really get this, want me to do another video, message me below, let me know, and I'll totally make another one. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! And I gotta stop the video so it's gonna get crazy.